I just got done filling up an engine with Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 10W30, and I should have shown myself opening up the bottle. But I just took a quick glance inside. I thought this only happened on their big, like 5-quart jugs, but I'm also seeing it now on the little 1-quart jugs as well. So take a look down in here. You guys see that? Looks like dirt. So there's dirt or residue or some kind of material at the bottom of the 1-quart oil container of the Pennzoil Platinum. If anybody can tell me what this is, greatly appreciate it. If someone from Pennzoil can answer me, that'd be awesome too. I just showed you a video where I finished off a Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic bottle, and there's dirt down on the inside of it. So I wanted to, I don't know what it is. It could be anything. Just know that I don't hate Pennzoil. I'm gonna get some comments. I know that guys say, "Well, why do you hate Pennzoil so much?" I don't hate Pennzoil so much, and I don't hate Amsoil so much. I put up that video of Amsoil sucks, and that was actually from a customer's truck who went 25,000 miles on Amsoil without changing his oil. Some guys have asked what the condition of the engine was before, how often he changes oil filter. I don't know any of that stuff. The engine was a complete loss. It was just replaced. Didn't really go into the details, but I do know that Amsoil denied the warranty on that. That being said, I don't hate Pennzoil. I just want to cut this bottle open and find out what is going on inside of this thing and what that substance is down at the bottom here. So let's cut it open and see what's in here. Just taking a razor blade. So just like I said, I don't hate Pennzoil. I've actually had really good luck with this oil. I know some guys don't like it from, I don't know, the early 90s, but I haven't had any problems with it. Alright, so you can see right down there. I thought it was on the bottom when I was first looking at it, but I cleaned the bottom. There's not really anything there. It just looks dirty, so I'm going to wipe my finger here. So I'm going to start right here. You can see that oil, that black mark on the bottom is gone. It's on my finger now. I don't know, whatever it is, it's really fine. Very fine particles. I can't feel anything on my finger. It just feels like oil. We'll go up here on the top right here. Some of it is suspended in oil right there in the bottom. I don't know what it is. To tell you the truth, I have no idea. But I don't think it affects the performance of the oil at all. I don't hate Pennzoil. I would love to see Pennzoil's plants and their manufacturing. If anybody out there is listening from Pennzoil, my contact information is down below if you want to take me out to your plant. Hint, hint, wink, wink. But I don't know, something suspended in there. It's not grit or grime. I don't know. Maybe I should send it out to have it analyzed. Alright, there you go, guys. I just want to show you what's at the bottom of a Pennzoil bottle.
No, go. You better go, man.